Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to match an equation to a graph, okay? So you'll need to know a little bit about how equations for lines work, but I think you'll be able to do it. So let's take a look at the first one. All right, so we're going to call this first one 1, okay? We'll call that number 1. So I need to find an equation that has a slope, all right, of 2/3 and a y-intercept of 4. All right, so I see right here I got a y-intercept of 4, but that slope is negative. Remember, slopes that go that way are positive and slopes that go that way are negative. So that's a negative slope. So it's definitely not A. All right, so let's see if there are any others here with a y-intercept of 4. Let's look at B. All right, graph B has a y-intercept of 4. All right, and now let's see what the slope of this line is. So we'll go up to the next point. It's right here, and it's positive, right? Because those are positive. That's positive. That's negative. So it is positive. Let's make a triangle. And it is 2 high and 3 wide. So that is 2/3 is the slope, and the y-intercept is 4. So number 1 is B. All right, so we've already used this one, so we'll cross it out. Now let's look at the others. Here I have, for number 2, we'll call that number 2, I have 2x minus 3y equals 6. So the way I would check to see if this one works, to see which graph it is, I would find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, okay? So if I find the x-intercept, I am going to make y equal 0. So I have 2x minus 3y equals 6. But if y equals 0, that's going to cancel that. So I have 2x equals 6 and x equals 3. So is there a place here where my x-intercept equals 3? Well, right here my x-intercept is 3. On A, the x-intercept looks like it's just shy of 1. So I know it's not A. So I know that this one is C. Well, if 1 is B and 2 is C, well, that means that 3 is A. But let's check that out just to be sure. So the y-intercept on that one should be 4. Well, the y-intercept is 4, and the slope should be -5. Well, if I go down to the next place, I can make my triangle here, and it is definitely negative. That's a good sign. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tall and 1 wide. So the slope is definitely -5 over 1, which is -5. So we're looking at B, C, and A. So number 1 is B, number 2 is C, and number 3 is A. And that's how you match equations to graphs.